So hi everybody and welcome back to this Unreal Engine 5 full game tutorial series for absolute beginners. This is video 4 and in this video we want to talk about templates. For this purpose we start the Unreal Engine 5 launcher and then you click on 5.5 and then you should it should pop up this browser here where you can select game. And then here are the game templates. And what are these game templates? Game templates are just a predefined start point for you, which means, for example, this third person. When I click on the third person here, you see here a character, and this looks already like a RPG game, right? You have a character and can walk around. And the same goes for this one. This one looks already like a shooter game. You have a gun and you can shoot. And this RTS, this like a racing game with a car and so on. So in this tutorial, we will use not the blank, this is also not really blank, we will use this template, third person template. And there is a problem because I said we want start blank, like so black, and then come to this point. The reason why we are using this third person template is so that you can also play a little bit around with assets and get a feeling about it. But later, after we created this template here, we will switch level. It's very easy. We just create a new level here in this project and make an empty level, and then we have the start point where what we want. With that said, let's continue here. The next thing what you can do is read here what this template is about. Is a description. Here you select the programming language for your project. We want to create, we won't use just blueprints. And here is the target platform, desktop, but you can also select mobile. But keep in mind, if you select mobile, because the mobile hardware is limited compared to desktop, not everything is supported on mobile. For example, ray tracing is too heavy for the mobile hardware, but on desktop no problem. The same goes for scalability. On desktop most time no problem, but on mobile it will be scaled down. All right, here we have one more thing, which is a starter content, and starter content means just Epic provide you free assets to play around in this level here. Or for example, there is a music, sound or something like that. You can add this one here, and then you have, for example, other assets and so on. But just for playing around, that's why we enable this one. And then here down is the save location. You click on this one and specify where you want to save this project. And here you give the name of your project. This is just anything what you like. And then you press create. And when you create, it can take a little bit because you have to wait till the shaders compile. Shader compiling means all this graphics here must be compiled. And later, after you created this one, don't forget to save this project before you close, because then when you open up this again here in the editor, then you don't have to compile the shaders again and so on. And that was it already for this tutorial series. I mean for this video. In the next video we want to talk about the editor. We make an overview about the editor because we need to learn some basics. And here a side point, when you use the browser and search browser and then write understanding the basics, there will pop up the Unreal Engine 5 documentation page. And here are foundational knowledge, and there are so many things, but make not the mistake that you have to read everything and understand everything. There you can read this a little bit and try to understand some little bit, but in real you can read also nothing if you want, and just watch the next overview video where I just want to point out only the most important parts. You will not understand then everything, but the most common parts you will understand, and you can follow the tutorial. With that said, if you have any questions, write in the comment section like all time. See you in the next video. Bye and good luck.